Hello friends, today I will dictate a legal passage at 100 words per minute. Start. All these writ petitions except one, that is writ petition civil diary number 10981/2020 have been filed by different employers associations questioning the orders issued under Disaster Management Act 2005 and other consequential orders issued by different states where directions have been issued that all the employees, be it in the industries or in the shops, commercial establishment, shall make payment of wages of their workers at their workplace on the due date without any deduction for the period their establishment are under closure during the lockdown. In the writ petitions, apart from challenging the DO dated 20/03/2020 issued by the Secretary, Government of India, Ministry of Labour and Employment, order dated 29/03/2020 issued by Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs in exercise of powers under Section 10(2)(1) of Disaster Management Act 2005, the wires of Section 10(2)(1) of Disaster Management Act 2005 have also been questioned. In event Section 10(2)(1) is interpreting as conferring power to central government to direct the private employers to make full payment of wages to the employees during the period of lockdown. In view of the writ petitions, directions have also been sought to subsidize 70 to 80% of the wages for the lockdown period by utilizing funds collected by Employee State Insurance Corporation or the PM Cares Fund or through any other government fund/schemes. To understand the nature of relief in different writ petitions, it shall be sufficient to refer reliefs claimed in few of the writ petitions, since in other writ petitions reliefs claimed are more or less similar. In writ petition civil diary number 10983/2020, Ficus Pax Limited Private Limited and others versus Union of India and others, the Union of India had filed a common counter affidavit and prayed that the counter affidavit be adopted in other writ petitions referred to in paragraph 4 of the counter affidavit. Writ petition civil diary number 10983/2020 is being treated as leading writ petition. Various interventions applications have also been filed in the leading writ petition. The intervention applications filed in the leading writ petition are allowed. The petitioner in writ petition civil diary number 10983 of 2020 is a company incorporated under the Companies Act and is engaged in the business of packaging with 11 factories spread across 7 states. The petitioner is registered as medium industry manufacturing under Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. The petitioner company before the lockdown employed 176 permanent workers and 939 contract workers across all its factories, warehouses and offices. The petitioner's case is that after the lockdown period, although petitioner being in a supply chain of several essential items such as pharmaceuticals, food products, has been permitted to operate, but its business has been reduced to the level of near 5 to 6%. The petitioner challenges the order dated 29/03/2020 and the DO dated 20/03/2020 as being violative of Article 14, Article 19 (G) of the Constitution of India.